Ito ka.
Yan. Hi. Yes.
Ito.
Yeah, that is egg.
Bali.
Mali?
E.
E. Ah, that is E.
Ito to. Elephant. Elephant.
Is that elephant?
Yes.
Oh.
Lagyan mo kilo to.
What's the sound of elephant?
Hawu. Hawu.
Ah, okay. Is that not egg? E. Egg?
No.
Oh.
I'm going to the top. There's a dog.
Letter P.
Bali.
Ano letter yan?
Tiger.
Tiger? What letter?
Why?
Is that letter P?
Bali.